abandoned for over 50 years, left to rust in silence. The heart of this machine, cold for decades. The builder's plate. This train's birth certificate. Impact damage. Serious, but not fatal.
"50 years of rust has welded these wheels in place."
The valve gear, the brain of the engine, completely locked.
Years of work ahead, but she's worth saving.
Patience, the forgotten tool of restoration.
All right, easy now. Keep the pressure steady on that jack.
Yes, sir.
Watch the blocking, just a little more.
First movement in 50 years. She's not dead yet.
200 tons of history.
Rising from her grave.
Easy now, bring it down slow.
A little to the left, steady.
Journey home begins. The real work is ahead.
Under proper light, we see everything.
Decades of neglect washing away.
Now we can see what we're really dealing with.
Mapping the damage. Every inch must be cataloged.
Each piece carefully documented. Nothing lost. Stripped to essentials. Now the real work begins. Each bolt tells a story of time and weather.
Beneath the skin, the heart of the machine. The boiler, the soul of any steam engine, still solid.
Fire tube's clear. She'll breathe again.
The bearings that let 200 tons roll, worn but not destroyed. Complete disassembly. Every piece accounted for. Now, restoration truly begins. Clean metal, the foundation of lasting restoration. The boiler's turn. Primer locks out moisture, locks in decades more service. The legendary red returns.
She remembers her color. We remember our purpose.
Reassembly, putting the puzzle back together.
All wheels home. She stands on her own again. The valve gear returns. Timing is everything.
Controls respond. She's ready to breathe again.
Fire returns to the firebox. Life returns to the machine. Steam rises. She lives.
First movement under her own power in half a century.
From forgotten relic to living legend, restored.